Got it. Nice catch, Tessa.
Zebras like to run through the jungle grass. Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop.
Dinosaurs like it too! Stomp, stomp, stomp!
There are no dinosaurs in the jungle, Eddie.
There are in this jungle. Stomp, 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 stomp!
Would your dinosaur like to smell my flowers?
Sure. Dinosaurs love shoo!
Eddie, cover your mouth, please.
Sorry. Shoo!
Eddie.
You should cover your mouth when you sneeze. You could spread germs.
I think you need a tissue.
Thanks. Shoo!
Use the tissue!
Sorry.
Why are you sneezing so much?
I have owl germs that make me sneeze sometimes.
I think you mean allergies? What's that?
Scientific fact. Some allergies make you sneeze in the springtime.
Yep, I have those. Oops, I forgot.
It's good manners to use a tissue, Eddie. Please try to remember. Come on, Sophie! Throw the frisbee! Ha! I want to play too!
Me too!
What's so good about good manners anyway? I bet dinosaurs don't have to remember their See? You don't care that I didn't use a tissue. I bet none of the animals in the jungle would care. I'm gonna go to the jungle where I can sneeze all day and no one will tell me to cover my mouth.
Huh. Good catch!
Hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today. We're gonna have some fun. Use our imagination. You can be anyone in any situation. Let's go on an adventure, exploring someplace new. Go near and far together. There's so much we can do. So hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today. We're gonna have so much fun. Use our imagination. You can be anyone in any situation. Hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today.
Woo-choo! Woohoo! Hey, who did that? Was that you, Mr. Parrot? It was you. Cool. My turn. Whoa! That was really loud.
The Duke is always really loud.
The Duke?
Duke Trunks here, at your service.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Duke.
What's your name?
I'm Eddie.
I'm Eddie. Oh, I like that name.
No, that's not my no!
Woohoo! That was a good one, I'm Eddie. Oh, wasn't that a good one, huh? Oh, no. No need for that. I never cover my mouth when I sneeze. I have the loudest sneeze in the land, and I want to be sure everyone can hear it. I can tell we have a lot in common, I'm Eddie. Would you like to have lunch with me?
Of
course you would. Who wouldn't? Let's go!
Thank you?
There's my table. I have lunch here every day. A table always becomes available the moment I walk in.
Always?
Always! I'll take, one of everything!
Don't forget to say please.
Pronto! Right!
Please.
Ooh, time to eat! Time to eat!
The Duke can be a bit hard to eat with.
Time to eat! Time to eat! Time to eat! Time to eat! Time to eat!
His manners are a little, well, he has no manners.
Excuse me, Duke. Maybe you should speak a little more quietly. We don't want to bother the other customers.
Oh! You're funny, I'm Eddie. Come on, join in. Time to eat. Time to eat. Time to eat. Time to eat.
You're gonna need this.
Thank you? Excuse me, but could you maybe please chew with your mouth closed? Shouldn't you say excuse me?
Now, why would I say a thing like that?
Because, well, I think you're being rude.
Rude?
Yes. I thought it would be cool to forget about manners for a while, but it's not.
What do you mean, Mr. I'm Eddie?
My name is Eddie, and I mean that it's not cool to have no manners.
Manners?
Having good manners means thinking of others and being polite.
No, that's completely... You don't think I... Wait, what? Really?
Well, yeah.
Oh, thank you. No one has ever told me why I need to have good manners before.
No one?
No! So you see, I didn't know that I was being rude and making others feel uncomfortable. I apologize, everyone. Oh, I'm truly sorry. Can you forgive me?
Of course we forgive you, Duke.
Oh, good. And from now on, I would like you to tell me when my manners are slipping. Please. They could be so easy to forget.
You're right. Sometimes when I'm with my friends, I forget my manners too. Excuse me. I'm gonna go apologize right now.
No, wait! Please don't go yet, Eddie. I need help remembering my manners.
Well, okay. I guess we both could use a little help.
Saying thanks, saying please, cover your nose when you sneeze. Don't be rude and make a splatter. Manners matter. Close your mouth when you chew, 'cause it's the polite thing to do. A mouth that's full should not chatter. Manners matter.
Manners matter!
Take a look at yourself and say, would I like a friend to act this way? If what you answer is no, then it's not the way to go. Listen up, wait your turn, don't interrupt, it's easy to learn. And if you burp, say excuse me, it can happen as you can see. No one's perfect, so just remember, manners matter. Manners matter.
Why, thank you. Ooh, allow me to serve. Everyone, have a slice. Ooh, have a slice, please.
Nice.
Wow. Can't wait. Eddie. Oh, careful! The flowers might make you sneeze.
Don't worry. If they do, I'll cover my mouth with this. And I'm sorry I didn't do it before. Ooh, excuse me. Now I know that manners matter for everyone.
Even lucky. Aw, here you go. Excuse you. Ribbit. You look perfect. And so do you. And, ooh, you look thirsty. Tessa, hurry! Coming through. Thirsty flowers.
Careful, Tessa. Maybe you should... Tessa, look out! You're gonna...
Oh! Our cars are all muddy.
Sorry. Didn't you hear me, Tessa? I yelled, look out!
I don't think she did.
You should yell louder, Kobe. Like me!
I don't think anyone can yell that loud, Eddie.
I'll help. Thanks, Kobe. You're like a giant car wash for little cars.
I am a car wash. Click, clink, bleep, bloop, splish, splash.
Car washes are cool. Hey, we should go on a car wash adventure and wash some big cars.
Yeah! Yes! Woohoo!
Okay, just let me finish this.
Hurry up, Kobe!
Car wash adventure!
Hey, wait for me!
Hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today. We're gonna have some fun. Use our imagination. You can be anyone in any situation. Let's go on an adventure, exploring someplace new. Go near and far together. There's so much we can do. So hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today. We're gonna have so much fun. Use our imagination. You could be anyone in any situation. Hey, come out and play. We're going on an adventure today.
Let's go!
We've got our first customers! Hello! We've got a car wash special today. 3 cups of soap to make your van sparkle.
Plus, a squirt of new car smell air freshener.
Oh, fragrant joy.
We call it the Super Soapy Sudsy Special.
Oh, my, yes. We'll take it.
1, 2, 3. And one more for that extra special shine.
I think that's too much soap, don't you?
And up we go!
Cool scrub brushes.
Let's turn them up and get this car really clean.
Tessa, I don't think you should... I don't think that's how it was supposed to work.
See ya! Welcome to the car wash. You look like you need the super-duper tuxedo treatment today.
No, thank you. We'll have the royal treatment, please. For His Royal Highness, King Mouse.
Greetings, loyal subjects.
Hello. How do you do?
I would like my car to be the cleanest in the kingdom.
Don't worry, Your Highness. We'll use 5 whole cups of soap.
No, Sophie! 5 cups are way too many.
Only 5? Make it 6. I want the really royal treatment.
Then you get 2 squirts of new car smell.
Delicious. I'll take 3.
This way, Your Majesty.
Is there a top for the king's car?
It's always open, so he can wave to his subjects.
Hello. Hello.
Going up.
Wait, that car can't go through the car wash. It has no roof.
Hello. One really royal car wash coming right up.
Right this way, Your Majesty.
Guys, listen! The car wash!
Kobe's right. We need to listen to the car wash. Let's turn it up. Now that's the sound of clean.
That's not what I meant! Why won't anyone listen to me? Oh no!
Oh, dear.
That doesn't sound like the sound of clean.
More like the sound of trouble.
Oh, boy.
Oh, dear. Are you okay, Your Majesty?
Is everyone all right?
Now that was a really royal treatment. Wonderful car wash.
But, Your Highness, your car is even dirtier than before.
Huh? Oh, my. This is not a wonderful car wash after all. We must leave and find another one at once.
They're stuck.
We have to get them unstuck.
And clean their car the right way. And make them smell good again.
Okay, then. Let's do it.
Let's go.
I wish they would have listened to me.
Oh, dear.
Come on, guys. Let's do it. This ought to work.
Oh, I got this.
Well, this is good. Let's use this. Let's go. Yeah. I've got balloons. How about some rope?
Here, try this ladder.
Great idea.
Stop!
May I please talk now? I think I know how we can fix this.
Great. Tell us, Kobe.
Come on.
Shh. I need you to really listen, okay?
We always listen. But we didn't. Colby tried to tell you not to turn the car wash up so high. And not to put in so much soap. And not to let the car go in when it had no top. That's right. You did try to tell us those things, Kobe. We just got so excited about running the car wash that we forgot to listen. We're sorry.
Yeah. We're ready to listen now.
Thank you.
So what do we do?
Don't ask him. Ask me. I'm the king. I know everything. I'll get us out. Hand me that tool thingy. You were saying?
Thank you.
When something happens that bothers you, when you're not sure of what to do, listen to everyone, make a choice. You might just choose the quiet voice, so try to listen and learn. Some folks are loud,
Some even shout.
and some are quiet like me. So listen and learn from all your friends. You'll learn a lot, you'll see.
Good job, everyone.
I love this.
Yeah.
Woohoo! I'll help.
Some folks are loud, some even shout, and some are quiet like me. So listen and learn from all your friends. You'll learn a lot, you'll see. You'll learn a lot, you'll see.
Woohoo!
Ah, perfect. Thank you! I love that new car smell!
Woohoo!
Good job, everyone!
That was fun! Thanks, Kobe, for fixing our mess and reminding us to listen. So, what should we play now? Let's take a spaceship to the moon! I want to play princess!
We should all be dinosaurs!
I want to play tag!
Excuse me, I have an idea.
Oops. We're listening.
Why don't you guys pretend that you're dinosaurs who took a rocket to the moon, where Moon Princess Mia asked you to come and play moon tag with her?
Yeah! What about you, Kobe? Are you a dinosaur too?
Nope, I'm it, so you better run. I'm coming for you.
Run!
We may be little, but our show is big.
Play that music.
It's a super gig. Our stories take us anywhere together.
Out to sea
Or in the air
together.
Yeah! Wow! Our secret is imagination. No one needs an invitation. Little people, big sensation. We can